In this video, I'll go through step by step how to use WeVideo, which is a web-based video editing software as well as video creator, so you can do recordings and screencast in it, to make screencasts and to make movies real quickly that you can share with students. So first thing you want to do is go to WeVideo.com, and if it's the first time you're using it, you're going to want to click the sign up with Google. You're going to want to make sure that you're logged into your mgschools.net account with whatever computer you're using. So first time you click on, it's going to look a little bit different than mine. It's going to have some different, like a little rocket ship page that says this is paid for by Monona Grove School District, and then something else about getting ready for creating. But then it will bring you to a page that looks like this. From here, you're going to want to click on the blank edit. Going to just click start editing, and it's going to ask you, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. So to get recording, you're going to want to click up here on My Media and just click on record. And you got three different options. The two that you're going to use the most and pretty much all the time are webcam and screen. Webcam, I'll just click on it real quick, click OK. Webcam is using your actual webcam, so you can record yourself talking with students. The first time you use it, you might get pop-ups up on your screen saying, do you allow the camera to be used? Do you allow the microphone to be used? Of course, you're going to want to click allow. Right here is where you could change if you have a really fancy setup and you have multiple cameras. That's where you could switch between the two. Same thing with microphone. When you're ready to start recording, just click start recording. It'll count you down like this. And this is where you just start recording. You start talking, you're talking with your students, you could have props in the background, whatever you're using. When you're done, you click save. You can watch your video. Oh, that's not a good starting image there of me. If you don't like it, like I don't right now, you can click record again. I'll go ahead and click save though, so that way we have something to work with. And I will go back in and do the other option for you too, the screencast. So click on record again. And we got screen. We're going to click OK. Once again, we're going to go through which microphone to use. It defaults to the built-in one, so if you have a built-in microphone, awesome. It just kind of goes to that. Click next. You're going to want to click what you want to record. So if you're going between, if you're using this to record yourself using another application on your computer, you could click on that. I don't really have one open right now. You could just do certain Chrome tabs. I don't really have any open right now, so it's not really relevant to this. So I'm just going to click on the entire screen. It's going to count me down again like it did before. And so now it's recording my entire screen. So I could be walking students through something and they're hearing me and seeing my screen at the same time. When I'm done recording, I just click the stop sharing, button down here on the bottom. It will open up similar to before. You could record again if you didn't like it. You cancel if you just want to completely forget about it, or click save. So now I have my two videos that I've created. So if I want to export them and share them, if I want to share them out with the world, if I want to share them out with my students or whoever else, I just pick which one I want, or I can even do both. So I'm going to start off with this one, and I'm just going to show you how to export real quickly. I'll also share some information on how to do small edits, if that's something you care about. If you're like me and you're just going to do quick and dirty videos and it doesn't really matter if you got a few mess ups in it, just kind of go with it. You don't have to worry about doing that. So I got the video down here in video 1. I just grabbed it and pulled it down. And when I'm done, I just click finish. I'm going to name it. I'm just going to call this testing. So right here we have a few different options to go through. Video, of course we want video with audio. You can choose standard or high definition. It always defaults to exporting in WeVideo. I'm going to click make it mark video as public, and also choose YouTube here, or you could even just do Drive. Let's do that and do export. It takes it a little while to process everything. Even though this is just an 8-second video, it takes it a little bit of time to get it going in the queue. So it'll be ready in 26 seconds. 21. It looks like it's just about finished. And here we go. So I could download it now if I wanted to, have all these different options to do with sharing, things like that. If you're wanting to make another video, you just click right up here onto Dashboard, and it brings you back here. So you could start making another one, or you could go back in and edit this one. And that is how to use WeVideo in a nutshell.